What's up everyone, this is Shul aka AltCryptoGems, and today I've got an exciting video as Bitcoin has just reached $30,000. So I'll be analyzing some charts, talking about what happened and why Bitcoin has been pumping and what my current targets are. And obviously I'll be sharing my target points. So before we start with the video, be sure to follow me on Twitter, that's at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and follow me on YouTube and like this video. Let's get started with the video. So first of all, we'll be looking at the 1 week time frame where we're seeing a clearly uptrend pattern going on with a clear resistance that's been happening. Now, as you can see in the around December 20, almost beginning of 2021, we had a resistance over here at around the 32k mark. And once again, at around July in 2021, we fell down onto a support and actually bounced back up. Now, on around 2022 May, we failed to bounce here and we actually fell down. And as you can see, we've been consolidating ever since and are now in an uptrend trying to break it once again. So as you can see, this is now turned into a resistance, which used to be a support over here, but we lost that support over here. Now, the question is, will we actually get to the resistance and break it? My thought right now would be that the resistance is around at 31.5k, as you can see over here. And we have actually created an uptrend. So will we actually get to there, and what will be the exact target is something we can see more clearly on a 1 day time frame chart. Now, this is a chart that I've drawn and posted on my Twitter channel just recently. And as you can see on the chart, we were going down quite a bit. And the question was, were we actually consolidating till the end of the triangle? And once you do, you either drop down or you break out, which is exactly what happened over here. Now, what would be the first target or resistance point that you would reach and you need to break is something that you can see on watching at the triangle. So let's have a look at this. And if you then take this exact target and you create it at the beginning where you actually break out, you would see that we're almost at the exact same rectangle that I've shown you on the weekly time frame. So that is around the 31.5 to /32k mark. That is my target right now to watch and to break. If we actually go past 32k, then I think the moon would be the next target to watch. So what is something that confirms this as well is a pattern that is showing a clear cup and handle pattern. Now, if you watch my previous video, which was of around 13 days ago, I was exactly talking about this cup and handle pattern forming. Now, in this video, I explained the exact situation that would happen, which was around the 32.5k mark. Now, as you can see, this played out perfectly. The cup is shown over here with a clear handle, which usually goes down. But once you actually have a breakout, you go past the previous part where you started the cup, which is around here. Now, this is exactly what happened. We reached the beginning point again, which was around the 31k mark, and we hit a short resistance. And now the question is, will we actually break out and go back or even up further? So looking at another chart, which is also the daily time frame, we will actually see some targets that we need to watch. As you can see, this is sort of the same pattern as the cup and handle one. We broke out, and now the question is, what is going to be our resistance and what is going to be our support? Now, looking at the previous time frame at around June 2022, our first resistances were at around, once again, 32k. So that right now is my main target to watch. Will we actually hit this zone and will we reach that 32k? And if we do, will we drop down or will we actually pump through and go up even possibly towards these areas, which is around 41 to 47k? Now, will we actually fail and not be able to go up to the resistance? Then I do see us dropping down towards the previous support line, which is at around 25 to 26k. So will we drop down? Then it is crucial we hold this zone, or else I see us going down even further or possibly bouncing back up. Now, to confirm this, it's easier to look at the liquidity pools. And this is exactly when I will be opening my longs. So right now I get the question of people saying, when will you open a long or when will you open a short? Just a quick reminder, if I trade on Bitcoin and opening long and shorts, I do this on Bybit. There's actually a link in the description, which is the go-to exchange right now. They have a crazy deposit bonuses. And with all the FUD happening, Bybit is still standing strong. So I'll be opening longs and shorts on there. Now, when will I be opening these longs and shorts? Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we see that the quarterly open was around 28.6k, which is around here. Now, we left a mini liquidity pool behind at around 28.8k when we had the insane pump happening just yesterday. So what I think is going to happen is we'll probably go back down towards the mini liquidity pool. We'll get that liquidity pool and possibly then bounce up. Now, what's the target to watch? I said it before, around the 31k, which was the short resistance that we had yesterday. And if we break through that, then we will go even towards possibly 35, possibly 40k. So when to open a long? Like I said, I'll be waiting until the mini liquidity pool has been grabbed. And if we have a short bounce, I'll be opening a long at around here. So that will be around 28.7, 28.6k. Now, will we actually fail to grab the liquidity pool? Then it would be nice if we hold the quarterly open. And if not, it's a good idea to open a short. So these right now are my targets to watch. Now, thanks a lot for watching the video. Like I said, be sure to follow me on Twitter if you want to see a daily update and want to stay up to date with all these charts. Then leave a like on this video as well and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys at the next one.